local funds and national government funds. Here we are today offering the space. Created 1 hectare of open green space for our seniors, pet lovers, and the community of Anghang.
Mayor, paano po yung maintenance po ng park?
It's the city who will maintain and put security on the area. Awa naman ng Diyos. As you can see, well secluded yung area in the middle of a major intersection. And also, makita rito sa kaliwa, Chairman Artes put up a pedestrian stoplight in the opening. Tapos may access din sa overpass doon sa Center Island sa dulo. And some parkings, small parking area so para yung mga bibisita sa mall.
Nabanggit nyo sino yung mga gumastos dito?
DBM, Office of the President, MMDA, and City of Manila.
Ano oras po open itong park? Ano oras po open itong park?
Open lagi.
Pwede po.
Para karinderya.
Okay.
Sir, after years
Bukas
of
kahit sino gustong kumain.
Sir,
Kami
after years
pumasok.
of delay, paano po ito na-pass na? Kasi di ba January lang tayo nag-groundbreak?
Yes. Wala naman, walang delay. In fact, we'd like to give credit to MMDA finishing it on time. I'm happy na mabibilis yung magawa.
Sir, after
And another unique in this area, may mapapansin kayo ng mga tumbler or parang container. Because those are the catch basin, water catchment for Skyway tuwing tagulan. Yung nakikita yung tubo na akala mo shower, dire-diretso sa kalsada. Dito sinasalo. Tapos may drainage system to for sa loob lang ng park. Hindi ilalabas sa tubo sa labas. So that we can use the water back to the plants in a good day.
Mayor, nabanggit mo ni Sekpin sa may garbage crisis sa bansa. Dito po sa Maynila, may garbage crisis.
Well, I want you to be the judge of it. As far as Manila is concerned, there is none.
Update ng mga
And
plant.
before I became mayor, there is garbage crisis.
Update ng plant. Gano'ng kabilis na wala o...
Ay, salamat naman sa Diyos. Now, let me take this opportunity to thank all 896 barangay officials. Barangay in the city of Manila. As you all know, upon assumption of office last July 2025, I created Executive Order number 3, wherein we are directing all barangays every Saturday to conduct cleaning the drainage of our city.
ayaw pang ibalik
At the
yung
time,
phone.
wala pa halos sa bagyo. And I have to give it to them also because they've been doing it for the past 1 year and the city government. And we pick some drainage within our resources. Awa naman ng Diyos. May challenges pa rin kami sa top avenue like PGH area, some portion of Calaway, some portion of Abad Santos, and some portion of Spanish. But generally, we're very happy na medyo naligtas kami itong bagyo. Pero marami pang challenges. At malayo pa kami. Malayo pa kami sa mga pagawaing bayan para dumating naman ang araw, makatikin naman ng taong bayan ng So yung kalsada sa panahon ng I mean, when I say yung metaphorically, walang baha.
Nakita mo yung dagat ng ilog, yung basura mo sa Redemptorist. Dapat na bang atakasin ng batas kontra sa mga...
Basta kami, pag may bagyo, may ulan, yung palo ng galing ng Batangas, Bataan, Pampanga, Bulacan, papalo sa Roas Boulevard. And one of the areas is Paseco, on top of the Roas Boulevard side. So kami naman, part na ng buhay namin na City Government of Manila. Kalawit lang kami ng kalawit ng solid materials na lumulutang after the rain sa aming mga pantalan or dalampasiga. We continue to create open green space. Ayun talagang kaliwat kanan dito. Ewan ko kung napapansin niyo yung sa Boulevard. As we have promised the people that we're going to plant 100 meter, 100 square meter, 1,000 square meter, we will reclaim those area and to be converted as a public space. And the reason behind is panig-panawag ang sasakyan dito. Labas kaso, so we are having carbon and the only way to do it and address it is to plant more trees because yan ang number one pagkain ng halaman sa Maynila. So we have to put more trees to have a better air for the next generation to have air.
Okay. Thank you.
Silog na kayo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We join. The next event, we are not going to introduce this general may shows. And that also will mag-ingat kayo. Thank you for helping Manila. Sigurado, dadami kayo kasi nabasa na kayo ng ulan. Philippines.